Alright, back at it again, trying to get a new diff in. This right here is the brand new front differential for a 2014 and possibly up Ram 1500 4x4. This one has the 321 gear ratio for final drive, awesome gas mileage on the highway, and an 8-speed automatic. Makes it pretty quick off the line. As a matter of fact, it's short first and second gear, bursts right out of there. It's time to replace because of the chewing of intermediate shaft bearing on the driver's side and cup slop on the passenger side. So I decided to just go ahead and spend the money on getting brand new stuff. Hopefully it'll go at least another 133,000 miles as the last ones did. There will also be a performance BBK header install because those are crappy install process, and I'll just try and see if I can help anybody make that a little bit easier. But I know that most people want to go back with the stock ones and cut them down. We're going to see how that works. I know that the other ones suck. I took a look at them already. They're terrible. Another thing is this impact wrench is actually a very good tool. It fits in a lot of locations where most of those bolts are that I couldn't get to and want to wrench on with a ratchet forever. And it has a little bit more power than most of the little what do you call them? I am not a mechanic by day. I used to be when I was in the service, but not anymore, so I was kind of lost the lingo over time. You know what it is I'm talking about. I know what it is I'm doing. Let's just agree that we can all get it done. So anyway, it is best to go ahead and get yourself a lot of different various ratcheting wrenches and stuff to do this. It's terrible. I busted 2 bolts trying to take them out because they put so much thread locker on those that it was ridiculous. That's 2, 3, and 4 coming out of the drive shaft. That's, yeah, 2 of them went off exactly the same size. Well, pretty damn close. So, oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I have been filming in the wrong format. I need to turn my camera like this. So, that'll only be half of the video. Okay, now, we are going to go over several of the things that the last video didn't cover. These bolts that sheared. There, that's a terrible job. Look at how much thread locker that is on there. That's just a ridiculous amount of thread locker. Okay, so I made a plug for this, and it seems to have done the job very well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get this one repaired and put it up for sale. It's not that bad. This is very scored in here, this bearing race is, and there feels like there's a chunk of something missing on something back here. So we're going to figure out what all needs to be done and get it replaced. And I'll go over videos of that as well. I'm probably going to take this bearing apart and get it measured and everything. Kansas bearing up there. I live here in Oklahoma, and there's usually a place around that can get you what you need. So, alright, there will be more to come, guys. Y'all have a great day.